Well, hello.
Say good afternoon. Say good afternoon, sir.
Guess what time it is? It's time for grade 1 to plant their seeds. We go over to the garden and you get to plant your squash.
Okay. We'll go to the garden.
Number 1, most important, especially for the seeds, is water. So we're going to get these good and wet before we put our seeds in.
Oh my god.
Melon also. For grade 1.
Okay, each get some seeds. There's 2 for you. 2 for you. 2 for you. 2 for you. And if you take care of them, they'll grow up to be.
Laway, balang wabang kayawan. Ako po mabilang. Bakit ako para bilang? Ano yan? Pagtuntong lang. Ay, laki mo pagtuntong.
Okay, you guys, come on over here. Your turn. Just put it like so. Okay, next. Okay, you're next.
Sige, paminaw.
Listen to me. They need 3 things. Number 1 is water. Lots of water because they're seeds and they're going to be. What's number 2? Number 2, we don't have a lot of today. Sunshine. Once the sun comes out and they hit the leaves, and they can really grow fast. Number 3 is the dirt, the soil. That's their ulam. If they're not in the dirt, they have no ulam. We're done. Yes.
Okay, go
So
on.
you can walk in here when you go to pull the weeds. Just don't walk on the
Sige, paminaw. Pwede makasulod dire kung mag-ibo sa sagbot. Pero dili na siya tumban, ha? Dili na siya tumban. Kaya nga, naaman diha ang seeds na kita, no? Oh, dili na siya tumban.
Ikaw magawa ko mag-1.
These are hard workers here. Look at them go.
Zero. Be, ako na lang, be.
Looking good. Good job. 45 days. 45 adlaw. Maybe you'll have some squash.
Okay, sige. Go back to the room now.
Okay.
Thank you.
Alrighty.
Thank you. Thank
Remember
you,
when you
sir.
come tomorrow to water. Okay, bye-bye. Zoom in on it. Here's our pepper plants. And which are those? I can't remember what that is. That's pet choy, I think. And it's growing all over the place. We had too many seeds. Here's the okra. Once we get the plants up, I'm going to have to mulch the heck out of it. Get some serious mulch down and on those too. So if they don't water, we don't get too much escaping. So anyhow, that's it. 16th and it's fully planted now.